our teams who will be competing on Tuesday. Jerry Ligo, Susan Choco Moto, and Lopez. I'd like to welcome you all to Quezon City. Thank you to the President, for allowing us to host the PBL in Quezon City. My warmest greetings to all the teams who are here this afternoon. Welcome to Quezon City.
Ngayong hapon, binibigyan natin ng parangal ang ating makukulay na float at festival performances noong nakaraang araw ng kalayaan. Dahil ang bagong Pilipinas ay hindi lang tungkol sa pagsulong. Ito rin ay ang pag-aalala